My overall experience at USW has been amazing from start to finish. I think what inspired me to study at the University of South Wales was the facilities, for definite. They've got some amazing facilities here that you can't really get in any other universities. There's an environmental chamber here. The laboratories have got some amazing equipment. So as part of our course, we have to do a placement module. I know that the uni have partnerships with the FAW, so I spoke to my course leader and he gave me the contact details to reach out for the lead sports scientist with the FAW. There I got to participate in being a strength and conditioning coach alongside the lead sports scientist. Everything that you learn, you get to put into practice. Like I did my placement, and I think if I hadn't learned the skills that I'd learned, while studying, I kind of wouldn't have had that foundation to take into the real world of working. I think the highlight on my master's course was actually the people that I met. The course has allowed me just to be a completely different person, and having people around you who are there for the same reason and kind of pushing you to do a lot better than you think you're capable of. I think that's kind of one of the best parts about being here. With the students and the lecturers, it's a lot more of a friendly environment. Through school you're kind of taught that your teachers are you can't have that friendship level, but I think the lecturers are just so on your level. You can go to them about anything. So my advice for future students would be to take every opportunity. The smallest opportunity might make the biggest difference after you graduate. The world of work is such a big place now. You need to kind of get anything and any opportunity under your belt to kind of put yourself in front of other people. Doing the postgraduate degree at the University of South Wales has led me to aspire to want to do a PhD, which will be the next step in my career.